only supposed to be respecting support and resistance on Thursday, and by Friday you damn near trading Fibonacci all the way, bro. That's how it's supposed to be. Through the week, every day of the week, you do exactly the same thing. So they're saying, and never, always remember, no trade is so good that you should risk your whole entire account, bro. So they're saying, what you guys should do, and a set of rules you guys should do is this. Like, say you have a trading plan, right? Even if you don't trade exactly like me, I only trade off support and resistance. First, I find market structure, if price is heading to the upside or to the downside. When I find my support and resistance, price must respect my support or resistance more than 3 times minimum. Like, price must respect that area. Alright, so blessed everybody, hope all is great. What we're gonna talk about today, we have the presidential election happening, dog. Nah, it's supposed to happen from, I was expecting it to happen from like 10 o'clock today, but I ended up reading the news wrong, dog. But we have it happening, I guess, later tonight, or we could have it could happen at any given point in time tonight. Now, the whole thing that I didn't want to do was trade around the presidential election, but this trade setup was just too perfect to neglect it, dog, because price is bullish on the 4-hour, price is bullish on the daily and the weekly time frame. Price breaks on my consolidation box with the engulfing candlestick. Like, everything was too perfect just to give it up. And this currency pair don't have nothing to do with the USD currency. So as this presidential election happening, I didn't want to trade any currency pairs that had this USD in it, just because I don't know what's gonna happen. Now, just because the USD currency is just so strong, I generally know within myself, and I can't even convince myself no otherwise, that all markets can get affected by this, So they say, and even the cryptocurrencies. But let me switch over to the screen real quick. Alright, dog, hold on, let me turn on the slide real quick. Halfway through the video, dog, I realized, but freaking know they want me why, but I can't hear myself talk. I realized that my mic end up keep on dying, like little clips out of it. My mic they keep on dying, so I had to delete a lot of footage out of it. So you see, but we ain't really worrying about that, because the most important part of the video is that the complete very end. So you see, but don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, dog. So you see, but the most important part, but I want y'all to get down, bro, is don't forget to read your Bible today, dog. So you see, hold on, let me grab it real quick. Proper thing. So you see. Shut up, bar. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Let's get back into it. Alright, solid. So even this USD CAD, right? Like, I was supposed to enter for a nice sell position, I completely messed up on this trade. I would have been up already. Let's put this here and let's see. Let's put this on the daily. So I would have already been up 2.5%, dog. Not 2.5%. I would have been up already to my take profit too, just because we would have been to a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Alright, so it's 1:07 a.m. I know a lot of news coming up because I think FOMC is in the morning, and just because Donald Trump is president, I know a lot of US currencies can get affected, dog. Like, just check this out real quick. Let me move this to the side. Perfect. So even if you take a look at this, this one candlestick came from, I think about this one big drop came from 1 4-hour top like candlestick, and it's in session right now. Like, price shouldn't even be moving like this. So I just can keep an update. I know price just gonna go. I can't wait to see what happens in the morning. So they say. But at the same exact time, it is election season still. Like, Donald Trump didn't even get elected into office yet. And because he didn't get elected, he still has power just by his influence, but he just ain't say nothing as yet. So they saying, but I just can keep you guys updated in the morning. Pardon me for the noise in the background, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. so I just sit here and record down there 20-minute video, bro. But my mic end up dying, dog. So you saying, but can't worry about it. But one thing I did want to talk about is this whole presidential thing, bro. Yo, I don't give a damn. This year was trading reckless. Even if I made money or lose money, all the money I made, all the money I lose wasn't supposed to happen. So they saying, why? It's because trading around these times is completely reckless, bro. I don't care if y'all haven't made. The only way you're supposed to make investments around, money around this time is if you was invested into something and you just hold the investments during this presidential time. Because trading during these times is completely reckless, bro. Why? Because you had no clue in the world who would have win the presidency. So they saying the only time you would have known is as Trump get closer to in office. But the main thing I want to talk about, because I see so much people was talking about it online, was this. I see a lot of people focus on so much who win or who lose. Bro, it doesn't matter if Trump win or if Kamala Harris win, bro. So they saying if Trump did win, your bank account would still look exactly the same. And if Kamala Harris win, your bank account would still look exactly the same. What does matter is if you give yourself the opportunity to make money, bro. And what I mean by this, yo, let's say because Trump win, right, all the cryptos and investments and the stocks and Tesla and everything skyrocketed the moment Trump win. Let me make sure my money gone. As soon as Trump win, bro, all of these people, all of these stocks and all of these crypto investments skyrocketed, right? But let's say for you, let's say if you didn't even invest into crypto, you didn't even invest into those stocks, no bonds or anything, bro. Guess what? Even if Kamala win, you still would have had $0 because you didn't even give yourself the opportunity to find out what would happen with your investments, dog. So one thing I'd encourage everyone to do, bro, is invest, bro. Even if you don't invest into crypto, invest into the stocks. Invest into your trading account, dog. You should always have some type of investment. And regardless, you shouldn't even be trading around this time anyhow, bro, because nobody would know who win. Nobody know if Trump to win, if the markets would crash or if the markets to go up. Regardless, bro, it is basically gambling, trading around these high news events. You have FOMC that comes out every 2 to 3 weeks or so. Then you have NFP that comes out once a month. Then you have CPI that comes out on random days through the week, bro. See what I'm saying? Those are the news that we try to stay away from. But if you can't stay away from it, dog, just try your best to stay away from the news. Because remember, you don't know the results of what will happen once these news events come out. For people who have big account size, bro, do you generally want to risk $4,000 to find out what would happen with this news? Why would you even want to put yourself at that much risk, dog? You basically gambling. So they say your best thing you should do is journal. And why I say journal is because the best thing you should do, this should be how you should do it as a trader. On the weekends, right? This is what I do. On the weekends when the markets stop moving and I'm thinking logically and I already took my break from the markets, what I do is on Saturday to Sunday, I take my time by myself, I smoke my cigar and I relax, bro. And during this time, I look at the markets with a logical standpoint. I don't think about money. I don't think about anything. I don't think about passing no funded accounts. I don't think about flipping no accounts. I don't think about nothing what has to do with money, bro. It's just lines, boxes, and charts. That's all I look at, just the market. And what I generally do is look at the market and see what the market is telling me. Is the market going to go up or is the market going to go down? And what I would now do is journal inside my book, journal inside my journal and be like, yo, for US, an example is USD/CAD. In USD/CAD, price bullish on all time frames, on a weekly, daily, and 4 hour. Because you guys know the strategy. Everything about this trade is completely perfect. What I am now waiting for is and once price gives me the signal, I would take it and I wouldn't even think about it. I know that the most I'll ever risk per trade is a 1.5 of my trading account. See what I'm saying? So regardless, bro, you damn near don't even have to think once the market open. You just basically doing everything robotic, bro. And that's how trading is supposed to be. Trading is supposed to be so robotic that when the opportunity shows, you just do it. And when the opportunity shows, you don't kill yourself by doing it, bro. Let's say if you take a trade and you only risk your whole entire account and you didn't even think robotically. You just did it. You just did it to do it, bro. You didn't journal. You didn't even know which lot size to do. And you just entered the trade, and the trade hit your stop loss. And the moment it hit your stop loss, price give you another opportunity, just like it did for GN, and you can't even enter the markets no more, bro. That wasn't smart at all. And if it does happen to you, don't worry about it. Guess what you could do? You could get another account, you could put money inside another broker, and do it all over again. But this time, journal. Why do we journal? It's so we can make the right choices logically. See what I'm saying? Not just randomly doing the right choices and guessing and making the right choices. No, we want to make the right choices and we want to do it consistently, yo. And that's how trading is. Trading's supposed to be a consistent thing. You're only supposed to be respecting the support and resistance on Thursday, and by Friday you down there trading Fibonacci all the way, bro. That's how it's supposed to be. Through the week, every day of the week, you do exactly the same thing. See what I'm saying? And never, always remember, no trade is so good that you should risk your whole entire account, bro. See what I'm saying? What you guys should do, and a set of rules you guys should do is this. Like, say you have a trading plan, right? Even if you don't trade exactly like me, I only trade off support and resistance. First, I find market structure. If price is heading to the upside or to the downside. When I find my support and resistance, price must respect my support or resistance more than 3 times minimum. Like, price must respect that area at least 3 times minimum for me to mark it off as support. I find my support on a daily time frame. Once price reaches my support, you look for those things. I only trade off engulfing candlesticks. Like, price broke inside my consolidation box with an engulfing candlestick. I only trade during these times, bro. I only risk them. Like, those are the things that you should be telling yourself, right? And once you do that, bro, yeah, like, you won't be able to take a lot of trades, because what if the trade happens at 7 o'clock? So be it. A lot of opportunities in the market. Not because you missed this one trade means no more opportunities coming for the rest of the month. Don't worry about that, dog. Say, what you guys should be worrying about is just becoming just a little bit better every single day. And after doing it for about 2 years, you'll be like, damn, bro, I just got a trading. Like, I didn't even recognize it. Yeah, at the beginning it's going to be super hard, because trading is one of the most hardest things. That's like learning a new language. I've been learning Spanish in school for damn near 12 years, and I barely know how to say, I barely know how to count to 1 to 10, dog. So I understand how hard trading could be, bro. But you, as a trader, have to make it as simple as possible. A first set of thing, once again, bro, is journal. And in your journal, you should be journaling what you're looking for in the markets. You should be journaling your mistakes, and you should be journaling what you did good. And you should be journaling, even if you made a good trade, how you could have done it better, because that's the only way you could grow, bro. And as we talk, I even telling myself that, like, bro, after I come off this video, dog, you telling everybody that you must journal what you did good. Yo, I have to now do it, dog. Even though I wasn't going to do it before, but now I telling myself that, bro, I know exactly now what I'm supposed to be doing. That's why I enjoy making these videos, because during this time, I basically teach myself, because at the end of the day, when you ain't thinking logically, bro, and you only thinking emotionally, you only go off things that make you feel good. Me journaling right now ain't gonna feel good. What I want to do right now is go smoke my cigar, probably go watch a movie, eat some popcorn, eat some chicken, dog. That's what I want to do. But what do I gain from that? Absolutely nothing. So you're saying, what would make me a better trader is if I go ahead, journal. During my journaling, I listen to some calm music or whatever I watch. Like, I watch a guy named Trash Ranger. I can smoke my cigar. After, I can read my book. I can look over the markets, take my break from the charts for the weekend. And on Saturday or Sunday, I can go over the charts with the members, make sure everything goes good, make sure everybody, like, those are the things that we do to make ourselves better, bro. And after doing that for a certain period of time, bro, we be like, damn, boy, I get really good at trading. And trading didn't even feel hard to learn no more. Like, it feels good to be this good at it, yo. It just becomes second nature to do these things. So they say, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, dog. But if you guys need anything, once again, always let me know in the comment section so I can fix it and make it just a little bit better, dog. But I hope you guys take time, and blessed day, everybody. Hope you guys have a blessed trading week.